Hello my babies. We out here with my boy,
Jason Alexander
Kim at Alphalete. About to get this workout in, baby. Let's get it.
It's been way too long, I've been building walls around me. Keep my distance so you never know too much about me. Trying to keep you out cause I love my safe space. But the problem is I never looked into my own face. Am I ashamed of myself? Am I afraid of my emotions? Am I ashamed of myself? Am I afraid of my emotions? We let it go, will you hold it inside? It's hard to take the blame, I know it doesn't feel right. We let it go, will you hold it inside? You're more than just your past, you're more than what you realize. We let it go, will you hold it inside? It's hard to take the blame, I know it doesn't feel right. We let it go, will you hold it inside? You're more than just your past, you're more than what you realize. It's been way too long, I've been building walls around me. Keep my distance so you never know too much about me. Trying to keep you out cause I love my safe space. But the problem is I never looked into my own face. Am I ashamed of myself? Am I afraid of my emotions? Am I ashamed of myself? Am I afraid of my emotions? Yeah, we let it go. Will you hold it inside? It's hard to take the blame. I know it doesn't feel right.
Ooh, she's so pretty.
Ain't she pretty? I got Jason's camera right here. I got Christina's camera right here.
Ready?
What's the verdict? I'd high five
Shit
you, but I am
slaps.
double fisting cameras right now.
I'm doing
Yeah, slaps. It
Yeah.
slaps.
That should slap.
You hear that, Swole Squad? It slaps.
Check it out. It's 12:30 in the morning, and this is what we're doing. This is dedication, y'all. It's fucking dedication.
I can literally just make it fluent, make it sound.
I know, I just feel like there's a lot of pressure right now. Like, I feel like I'm gonna mess up a line and Nick's gonna be like, oh, I knew it!
Yeah, something like that. Just it'll just be like Josh. Hello.
I'm sorry, that's
Just slowly slide. Well, it's also something like we'll see. We're gonna see who the anabolic tracker. Yeah. But like the ending for where we'll cut. That's
You guys also gotta keep in mind, I film all my intros at the end of my video. I'm ready when you are. Okay.
Let's go.
Professional. Why did you have to say that? No one said anything!
I totally am myself up before some videos.
Damn, can we have some music in the background? Like, you know the music they have with
We can't do the background. We can't kill it right
You know
here.
what I mean? Hold on. There's one thing that
Oh
Oh, is
my
that where it's at?
God.
I don't know if my upstairs is different from down here.
Oh my god. We literally left the room.
How many takes we do?
How long has this been? It's been like
4 or 5 hours.
at least 4 or 5 hours.
You don't have to use every single one at least once. Okay. So that's the first take.
30 grams is weak sauce. Dude, how many people are gonna be in the comments and be like 500 calories, 30 grams of protein?
Hello my babies. Welcome back to another video. We have some special guests today. Introduce yourselves.
What's going on, guys? Jason Alexander.
Ethan Harold, how we doing, Swole Squad?
How we do? Today we're gonna play a little game of Never Have I Ever. So this should be Shut Up Train.
Wow, that train is obnoxious.
This should be interesting.
Coming outside was a bad idea.
I guess so. Who wants to go first?
Your channel.
Me first?
Run it
Alright.
out.
Hands up, everybody.
Oh, gotta do this?
So, never have I ever. What? You'll
My
never?
mom watches fitness YouTube, bro. Like,
Maybe
I'm
we don't.
Okay, someone else has to go first because I can't think of anything. Oh wait, I know. I have one. Never have I ever got a tattoo.
Is that the only tattoo you got?
What you got?
What's that say?
Geronimo.
Geronimo.
Skydiving, hell yeah.
Dude, I want to go skydiving so bad. Never have I ever gone vegan.
Okay, I've never gone fully vegan.
So what do you mean fully vegan?
I'm just like half vegan, like 50%.
What does that mean? That means you're not vegan.
I eat mostly plant-based, but yeah.
Okay.
Never have I ever pooped for 4 days.
Oh,
Dude,
like
2
God.
weeks. Your boy hasn't pooped for 2 weeks. Swerve confectioner sugar is gonna mess with your gut. So don't eat a lot of that. Yeah. Never have I ever had an accident in public.
Like pissed your pants?
Yeah.
Oh, I've done that
You pissed your pants before?
so many times.
Really?
Yeah, from laughing.
Do you want to? I'm laughing.
Yo, I pissed my pants at the mall.
Well, like, tell us about it.
So my friend was making me laugh, and I just peed my pants. Well, actually, I was wearing a dress, so it was even worse. Like, there's a puddle underneath me.
Oh, no
Literally
way.
a puddle. Yeah.
Wait, were you standing still, just like letting it happen, or were you like running to the bathroom? Is there a trail?
I was just like, here we go.
Nope, it's happening.
It's happening right here. Never have I ever been to jail. guys
Did you
never
put a
been
finger
to
down?
jail?
Oh, okay. I thought you.
I'm like, I'm
It's
3.
like, Jason, what did you do?
Never have I ever been kicked out of a public, a restaurant or something. Never been kicked out or escorted out of a facility.
Okay. I don't. You
You
have?
have? What did you do?
This is all back in college. I get kicked out of a bar. I don't know. Does that count?
Yeah, that counts. You just got thrown out of the place.
Were you dancing on the table?
Oh, I had way too much to drink, and I was
Just falling over yourself?
super rowdy over a hockey game.
Nice.
Never have I ever puked from a bad night.
Of drinking?
Not from drinking, no.
Go
Alright.
us. Never have I ever gotten knocked out, like a punch.
Oh, I've never been in a fight yet.
No? No fighters
No
here?
fighters.
No scrappers?
We're all lovers, man. It's all the community. We love you.
All love here.
Never have I ever been naked in public.
No, I haven't either.
Like boxers, socks.
No, full.
Just no.
No.
Can't say I have. No
Wow.
naked miles.
We are very wholesome here.
Yes. We were asking all the wrong questions.
Never have I ever had beef with another YouTuber.
I don't even want to call it beef though, because like there was no malice, at least from where I was standing,
Yeah.
right? I mean, you all know what happened, but like I don't think there was any bad blood between the two. But I guess after the podcast, you can say that. But
True.
I don't think we were ever on real bad terms. So I'm not gonna count that as beef. Did I have?
What would
two
you
things?
say it was?
I would say it was just civil disagreement that turned into something more, but I didn't really contribute after I made my first video. And I made it clear, I was like, yeah, the guys, I don't really care if cloud or like starting problems. Like I have my show, I'm busy. You know, I wish you the best. Here's my 2 cents, move along.
True.
And now things are good. We're all happy, man.
It's
No
all
drama
peace.
for now.
Happy
Like you
fam?
said, all love.
Happy
All
fan,
love
bro.
over here.
All right, so
I'm just thinking about how hot it is.
yeah.
You want to move inside?
Let's take it
We're just
inside. We're
Gonna
gonna-
switch the location real quick.
Yeah.
You guys just stay right there. Actually, guys, the video's over, so subscribe.
Make sure you subscribe to all 3 of us.
Subscribe to Ethan
Make sure
Harrell,
you.
Jason Alexander Kim, Exercise Physiologist. He's back there. He wasn't even in the video earlier. So.
Yeah, don't you guys think it's like the greatest video in the history? Alright.
Very Mama Swole.
Subscribe, guys.
Subscribe.
Besides, I
Buy
want
my
to
merch.
say.
Link in the description. Have a good ass day.
How to get my weight up, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hey.
Weight in the cake up, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Turn up in the gym, know I'm calling Mama Swole. Bad little shawty, and you know I'm on a roll.
Press like an empress. That shit slaps. No one to impress, bitch. Find me on the guest list. Got that Louis V necklace. Subscribe to the Mama Swole channel. Even if your name is random. Got it lit like a candle. Catch me swerving in the Lambo.